everybody, welcome back to another weekly craft video. My name's Tori and I'm here in the Whitewater Public Library Makerspace. This week we have a craft for adults or for anybody who would like to participate. We are going to be making these personalized photo ornaments. So for my personalized photo ornament, I included photos of my cats because that's just me. But these are really fun. You can add whatever images you would like. You can just put an image on one side. You can do two sides. It's totally up to you. So we are going to be having in-person craft time for this craft this week. You can come to the library Monday, November 15th at 4:30 and do this craft with me and some other folks here at the library. But if you're not able to make it to that craft time, you can pick up a kit to do this activity November 15th through the 20th, and you can follow along with the video at home. So let's get started. In your craft kit this week, you are going to get a round piece of wood with a pre-drilled hole in it, a piece of string, a little cup of Mod Podge, and a foam paintbrush. At home, you're going to need a marker, some scissors, and 1 or 2 photos. You can use photos that you already have at home. You just want to make sure that they will fit on the surface of your piece of wood. You can use photos that are printed on photo paper. You can use photos that are printed on regular copy paper. Either will work. And these photos I did print specifically for this project, so it worked well for me. I cropped these into a square image, and then I sized them to about 4 inches by 4 inches, and that worked really well for my project. But I do want to mention that each of the pieces of wood does vary in size and shape a little bit, so you might want to make adjustments for your piece of wood. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to trace my wood piece onto the image. So I'm going to just lay it down there and kind of get it centered and make sure that my wood piece is covering the part of the image that I ultimately want to be on my ornament. And once I'm happy with that placement, I'm just gonna trace right around. Just like that. Now, when I cut this out, I'm going to cut inside the circle a little bit because I want the photo itself to be smaller than the actual piece of wood. So I'm going to cut inside this line and cut around. I'll probably be cutting away these extra little white bits here. So once you cut out your image, you want to lay it down on top of your ornament and kind of align it. So I do want a little bit of the wood to show, so I'm going to go back and cut away more of this picture until it looks nice and clean and it fits on here how I want it to. So once you're happy with the way your image looks, you're ready to attach the photo with Mod Podge. Now you don't need to worry about covering up the hole with the photo. We'll take care of that later. Grab your Mod Podge and your foam brush and lay a thin layer of Mod Podge over the entire surface of the piece of wood. And when you're ready, carefully center your photo. If you have any edges that are sort of sticking up, just put a little bit more Mod Podge under there. And then apply another thin layer over the top of the photo. and let that dry. So I have one side completed, this side is dry, and now since I do want to add an image to the other side, I'm going to go ahead and do that using the same process, and then I'll meet you back here once that side is dry. Alright, so this side isn't completely dry yet, but I am going to go ahead and punch a hole through the photo. Now, if you are using photos that are printed on, heavier photo paper, you might need to use something sharp, like a nail or something. But for me, I'm just going to use the point of this pencil. I kind of pushed down on the photo and I was able to clearly see where the pre-drilled hole is. So I'm just going to push this part of the pencil through there, and I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. I can kind of see where it is and just push my pencil through that and make a hole. And another thing that you could do is do this before you add the second photo to one side, so you can see a little bit easier where the hole is located. Now I can put my piece of string through the hole, and I'm just going to tie this at the top. So thanks for watching this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this activity. If you do complete this project, you can share your photos with us on social media or via email. We love to see your completed projects. Bye.
Find us at 431 West Center Street, Whitewater, Wisconsin 53190. Our current hours are Mondays through Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., Fridays from 9 a.m. through 5:30 p.m., Saturdays from 9 a.m. through 3 p.m., and Sundays we are closed. To keep up to date, add us on social media. And for more information, please visit our website at www.whitewaterlibrary.org or our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/ILYPL.